Yes friends, and now we are going to learn to subtract a number easily without borrowing. It's a new method, so we will see. 4156 minus 2679. Actually we will face lot of problem while subtracting from a small number. See, subtracting a big number from a small number, 6 and 9. So in this method what we will do is, we will use the complements. See, 1 complement is 9, 2 complement is 8, 3 complement is 7, 4 complement is 6, 5, okay. See, reverse also. See, complements are nothing but if we add we will get 10. See, the nearest base. Okay, now this you know. Now we will try to do this. See, what you have to do in this case, this is small number and this is 6 is small, 9 is big. So we have to see the complement of 9. 9 complement is 1. So add to this 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 and you put a dot here. See, dot equal to 1. Dot equal to 1. Now this is 8. So 8 complement is 2. This is 5 plus 2 is 7. Now you put a dot again here. So 7 complement is 3. 3 1 is 4. Now you put a dot here. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Friends, again I will explain this same sum. See, 4156 minus 2679. 2679. See, this is 6 is small and 9 is big. So in this case we have to use the complement. See, 9 complement is 1. Add to the 6. 1 plus 6 is 7 and you just put one dot here. As I said, 1 equal to dot or dot equal to 1. So now this will become 8. So this is 5 is small and 8 is big. So we have to see the 8 complement. 8 complement is 2. 2 5 is 7. Again you put dot here. See, this dot you have to put when we are subtracting from a lower number with a bigger number. Next to the left side, left number, we have to put a dot on the top of the left number. So now this 6 will become 7. 7 is higher and 1 is small. So what we have to do is, 7 complement is how much? 7 complement 3. 3 1 is 4 and again put a dot because we subtracted from a small number. So now 4 minus 2 1 is 3. See, 4 minus 3 is 1. This is the answer, friends. This way we can do very easily. Okay, actually there is no subtraction business. Only we have to see is whether we are doing it right or not. If we know the complements, we can do in much easier and less span of time without much headache. And friends, now we will try to solve this one. See, this is 5 is small and 6 is bigger. So we have to subtract. What we have to do is, see the complement of 6. Complement of 6 is 4. Just add to 5. 4 5 is 9. You put dot here. Now this will become 3 as dot equal to 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. Now here again we got a small number and big number. So what we have to do, 9 complement is 1. Add to 8. 1 8 is 9. You put a dot here because we subtracted from a smaller number. So 9 minus 2. Why 2? Because 1 dot equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. This is the answer, friends. Now we will try to do one more problem. 96247 minus 28519. See, we have less span of time, so we have to do it quickly. So smaller number, big number. So 9 complement is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Put one dot. See, 4 minus 2 is 2. Now again small number, big number. So number 5, 5 complement is 5, 5 2 is 7, put a dot here. Again small number, so 9, 9 complement is 1, 1, 6 is 7, put a dot here. 9 minus 3 is 6. This is the answer, friends. We will solve this very easily. Okay, right? Now what we have to do is, see, 4 minus 2 is 2, and here we have a small number and big number. So see the complement of, look for the complement of 6. 6 complement is 4, 4 2 is 6, put one dot. Now 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. Again small number, big number. So what we have to do? Subtract. See, what is the complement of 9? 1. 1 7 is 8. Put a dot here. So 5 minus 2 is 3. This is the answer, friends. We can do very easily. One more problem I will do as time is there. So 4 2 5 6 2 8 3 7. See, friends, very easily we have to subtract. See, higher number 7 higher, so complement of 7 is 3, 3 6 is 9, put a dot here. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now small number and big number, so 8 complement is 2, 2 2 is 4, put a dot here. So 4 minus 3 is 1. How simple it is. See, normally if we are doing, it's very difficult for us actually. See, we will subtract this very easily, but before that I want to subtract in a normal way. I don't know, maybe you are happy with the normal way. See, let us see what is easier. So what I have to do is borrow business. So 10, this will become 12, 12 minus 9 is 3. You have to count your fingers and you have to do all sort of things. Now coming here, this is small and here is a big. Here we have 3 only, so this will become 13 and this is 8. And what is here? Here we have 6 only, so 6, this is 7. So again I have to borrow. This is how much? 16, 7. So 9, 8, 3. See, I don't know whether it is right or wrong. You will see the difference when you know. See, you will see the difference actually. You will see the difference. Then only you will realize the importance of this method. Okay, right. See, now 2 is small and 9 is big. Take the complement. Complement of 9 is 1, 1, 2 is 3. Put a dot. Now 6. 6 is bigger. So 6 complement is 4. 4, 4 is 8. Put a dot. 8 complement is how much? 8 complement is 2. 2 7 is 9. Put a dot. 3 minus 3 is 0.